Okay, we're back. Attempt number 2. First one didn't have audio or mistake. First, absolutely mega nuke here at the open. $10 down on the Q. Obviously, it's moving much more because of NVIDIA today. You know, what you'll notice is as soon as we touch like this reload zone, boom, KTR here, crushed it, boom, 56% win rates, all returning 100%. That's beautiful. That's what we want to see. Now, if you like to trade, you know, the swings higher, the thing to keep in mind is like when you go down 10, that means you can bounce 2, 3, 4. You know, this is basically a 5-strike bounce off the bottom. Okay. Once you get to, you know, +5 from the bottom, well, if you're not in a trade, maybe you want to enter on a 2+ strike pullback, right? Because it went up 5, it can go down 1, 2, 3, 4 or more. Awesome entry right here. You know, not a perfect trade because you didn't get 100%, but you didn't lose money. You see these, okay, they're late. KTR, right at this 511 strike in the red, boom, you get it. You know, the important thing here is once you get into the red zone, it is either going to swing or nuke. And basically, it's not nuking here. You get a nice swing higher. KTR, boom, boom. You get that. Obviously, we don't want to trade this because why? It is super freaking late. It's disgusting. Now, it looks like we're 1300s here. We're pushing back into the yellow. It'll be interesting to see what happens next. Obviously, it's another down day, so we'll see what happens. SPY, same thing. Deep into the red, doesn't keep going. Massive swing. You recover the entire move, and bears at the blue line absolutely crush it. Remember, when you're below the blue, and it's an swing higher to the blue, if you don't pass it and fly to the next strike, it is coming back down. CTE for this worked perfectly. Boom, boom, boom. All 100% plus trades. Now, when we're looking at the rest of the session, that's an interesting one, right? Very bottom of the reload zone. The only reason I'm kind of scared to take that is because, you know, they brought that thing up to the blue. This is, 1.5 strikes higher. Possible it wins. Win rate is pretty good. That's something that we're going to look to monitor and probably trade right about now. Just check IWM. Wow, you have one bull. Nice trade. They took this thing to the blue right at 216. This is what we mean. Like, it's got to go to 216 and push. That's a beautiful spot. Beautiful, beautiful spot to buy puts if you like doing that sort of thing. Personally, like to trade the upside moves. Looking for some kind of bulls to come in here. Let's see, SPY still going higher. It's like, hey, when this thing is ripping, right? And it just green, right? Pure green. Just wait for some red. We want this at the top of the reload zone or closer to the blue line. That's where it worked before. No reason why it can't work again. We'll trust and believe that this thing can keep going higher if we get a bunch of bullish bombs. That's what we want. We'll see what happens next. And we'll post in the main channel whatever trades we end up taking.